was on camera.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Delete it.
No, I'm not deleting that one. Comment down below if you heard that.
Golly, I
Jeez,
keep,
what
like,
gear are you in? Third?
stalling out. I think so. I think I was in third.
Kennedy can't drive today.
Golly.
And there's the ugly Ford Ranger. That's what a base model looks like. Those are really ugly.
Why did they move them all over here?
I don't know. This is like the Lincoln side, I thought. We were wrong.
Oh,
It's like a bag of Skittles.
green one. My favorite.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are with an array of Skittle Mustangs. They've got every color out here except all of these are 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Besides the one dark gray one out there, we've got the Need for Speed green with the racing stripes. Kennedy loves this color. I believe almost all these are 10 speeds too. So this is the Need for Green. I call it Need for Speed green because I'm just used to saying Need for Speed, but this is Need for Green. Got the Orange Fury. Kennedy, the black roof. Like the black roof, it breaks up the orange super nice.
Comment down below if David should wrap his black.
I need to wrap the roof black, I'm pretty sure. I've thought about it before, but I think it looks really good, especially with the black accents with the wheels. Not a fan of the black spoiler, but I do like the black wheels, black roof. But like I said, these are all EcoBoost. Got the Velocity Blue. I figured out the name. It's Velocity Blue. Black wheels, got a black roof. I guess this is like a package you can get. But these are all 10-speed autos. I think this is the Ruby Red, another 10-speed auto, EcoBoost. These are all between like 30 to 37,000 depending on how you spec them out.
Guess how much this one is.
And then I think this is a magnetic gray. I think that's what this color is called. I'm gonna guess it's got base wheels on it, so it's a base GT, no sunroof. I'm gonna guess 45.
38.
38, okay, see, that's not bad. But is it a 10-speed auto?
It is an auto.
It is. So it is a 10-speed auto, 5.0 GT. This is pretty much the same spec as mine. Base model GT, nothing crazy. This one does have AC though. Mine was non-equipped AC. Not sure what happened with mine. But I need that headlight. I need a new headlight. Can you take the headlight off?
Yeah.
So another Velocity Blue. Like I said, another EcoBoost. They're all 10-speed auto, 2.3 liter EcoBoost besides the one magnetic gray. And I believe this is an older one. Based on the wheels. I think this is an older one. Or it's just a different package. No, this is brand new. Just a different package. What color, Kennedy, if you had to choose?
Green.
Really? Out of all these? The
Either
green.
that or the blue.
That or the blue?
Those are my two favorite colors.
I really like the blue.
Right now, or of course, all black, which is not here in the lot. So if I had to choose one here on the lot, it would be the green one.
But if we were gonna get you one, we'd get you the exact one you wanted.
Exactly. All black.
All black.
With
She
red
likes
leather.
all black. With red leather. I don't know if you can get that one still. There's a used one. There's a used one that I sent Kennedy. It's a 2015, so it's the first year of the S550.
And it's in Lubbock.
It's a gunmetal gray color, red leather. It's a manual car. It's got super low miles, and it's only 25 grand. It's like right in spec with what we'd want. We don't really want to get a brand new one because, like I said, these range from like 30 to 37,000 depending on how you spec them out. And she's gonna want the premium with the leather. She's gonna want a manual. She's gonna want the 5.0.
And want the bigger screen.
She's gonna want the screen, the navigation. She doesn't necessarily need the digital dash, which you can't get anyways on those. But we did find the gray one. I'm pretty sure it's like the magnetic gray. At least that's what it looks like on Facebook Marketplace. But that one is perfect. It's in Lubbock, red leather seats. It's a good spec. It's 2015. It's got some miles on it, so we'd save a little bit of money.
It's exactly what I want.
We should go get it. We should drive to Lubbock. Gets in Jetta. So what this video is about is I made a promise to Kennedy. When did we start this? A couple weeks ago or a couple months ago?
It's been months ago.
It's been months. We just talked about it. Yeah. So we talked about it. She's been really wanting a new car. She's been doing really good with her job. She got a raise. We've been doing not a lot of side projects, but probably the most side projects you've done, I guess, with painting and media. Been super busy.
Right now, I've been.
As far as media, this is the most she's probably ever done on the side, but it is summertime, so it usually picks up around then for summer photos or senior photos. Anyone that wants family shoots, weddings kind of pick up around summer, fall. That's just kind of like wedding season.
Literally everything.
Literally everything. Plus, she's doing chalk painting on the side. So she's literally grinding, not dying. Grind or die, the choice is yours. But she's been really working her ass off. So we've been talking about getting her a new car. Although the Jetta is very reliable right now. You can't hate on the Jetta. It's been super reliable. It's a newer car. It's a 2016.
Yeah, it's super nice. I love it.
It gets good gas mileage. You really can't beat it. But she's kind of at the point where she's like, okay, I'm making a little more money. I want to get a new car. So I have made a deal with her. Do you want to tell them the deal or you want me to tell them the deal?
I don't care.
So I made a deal with her. I said, when I get to 50,000 subscribers, which if you guys don't know, I've had this channel for like 3 years now. It's the slowest grossing channel in the world. But I did tell her when I get to 50,000 subscribers, I would split the car payment with her on any new car she wanted. Because a car payment, I did say that. What do you look at me funny for?
I know, but...
She's like, I want you to pay the full payment.
No, I know.
Why are you attacking me?
Because I'm trying to...
Why are you attacking me? She's attacking me.
Let me speak my truth.
So, the reason why is because something around that price would be like, you know, a $400, maybe even $500 car payment, depending on the interest and depending on how much we actually spent. So that way she would just end up paying the same that she's paying right now, and I would just pay the difference, really, is what it comes down to.
What you said was you would pay half price of a Mustang,
yeah.
And I said, but you just now you said any car. And
well,
so
you know what
me,
I mean.
Any car, I'm like,
bring up the other car.
okay, I'm gonna get a 2020 Supra. Here we go.
She knows what I mean. I told her a Mustang or something in the equivalent price range because the Supra's kind of out of the price range. That's just too much money right now.
By the time you get to 50K.
But yeah, so at 50,000 subscribers, we really, what that means is I'll probably be at 50,000 in like, I don't know, a year, which would be perfect. She rolls her eyes. A year?
No, I'm thinking like 2 years.
I would hope a year. So, but I think it's kind of a good goal because if it's a year away,
tell your friends to subscribe.
Share it. I think a year away she'll have more miles on the Jetta. How many miles do you have right now? 70? 65. So in a year she'll definitely have 100, if not really close to 100, which at 100,000 miles you start got to put a lot of money into the maintenance part of it. So I think it's a good time to get rid of it. We'll probably have more media business. I'll be making maybe a little more on YouTube instead of 200 bucks, maybe 300 bucks. And I don't know, it would make more sense at that point. It's more of like a time stamp. Like, the new gym will be open, Kennedy will be busier, she'll be making more money. There'll be time to get a new car. You don't want to rush getting a new car if you don't need one. Like, the car runs so good. Why would you sell it, you know?
We've talked about it. Like, I don't even live here yet.
Yeah, and she doesn't even live here yet, so it'd be pointless.
There's no point of me driving back and forth in a new car.
Yeah, like, so why do we buy a nice Mustang? Not these EcoBoosts, but why would we buy a nice Mustang like a GT?
When I'm gonna put a bunch
of miles on it. So we think like a year is a good time frame. And if I'm at 50,000, that really would help. So as long as the views stay where they're at or increase, you would hope. But sometimes people hit 50,000, their views go down. Who knows? But that is my promise to Kennedy. You guys hear it here first. Save the video, share the channel. And there's a car behind us shopping, I guess. We're not the only ones that come shopping on Sunday. So if you guys agree with that, comment down below. Help us grow the channel. But at 50,000 subscribers, we will be getting Kennedy a Mustang. I was hoping for a Fox body, but that's to come soon.
I want that too.
Oh, now she gets both. Ooh, it is hot. How hot is that?
Oh man, my phone. Oh, it does.
102. Man. Texas tea coming in clutch. Happy hour special. And so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Get us to 50K, but it'll probably be like in a year, over a year, which is no big deal. We're in no rush. We're in the trusty Jetta, but just a little goal really to keep us on track. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Follow Kennedy at Kennedy McCall.
Follow David at VanV39.
And we'll see you guys
on the next one.